What makes Ghosty better for those workloads then versus like say another terminal?
It's the availability of pretty much every feature that terminal emulators have ever supported. Almost, right? There's the long tail there, so it's hard to say every, but like all the major ones are there. For example, like Ghosty is the only one on Mac OS that supports progress bars and notifications, like those two, because they actually are conflicting in their protocol. So we like compromised it by there's a certain format of notification you can't ever send because we'll interpret it as a progress bar. But like I've never met a real program that specifically needs to send those bytes. But we're the only one that does that. And I think that like having that kitty keyboard protocol, kitty image protocol, being performant to where you could push a lot of bytes to render animations and stuff to just make your app a little bit flashier, like necessary? No, but fun? Definitely. And just stuff like that. Being cross-platform as well, knowing you could get that on Mac and Linux, hopefully one day Windows. I think it just plays a big part. As much as I love native apps, like I understand that we're not currently going back there. Like Electron and the reason you would use Electron or similar web platforms totally makes sense. But a terminal is kind of like that too. Like as much as I hate Electron and want native apps, like I'm building the same thing for text applications, right? It lets you ship one application that works across platform, that works consistently. And so I think like the better dichotomy I'd like to see going forward is sort of this duality where you have the browser based app, which is like if you use like ChatGPT or Claude desktop, it's an Electron app. And then you also have like Codex or Claude Code or AMP, and those are TUI apps. And like I've been liking that. Like I like that a lot.